Hello everyone, my name is Vakarasan and you are watching AI Studio. Today we will learn how to detect face and eyes from an image using OpenCV. OpenCV basically provides a real-time optimized computer vision library tool and hardware. It is a free and open source software. So for the detection of eyes and faces, we will use Haar Cascade models. What is meant by Haar Cascade models? Basically, Haar Cascade models are object detection. It is an effective object detection method which is proposed by Viola-Jones first time. In order to detect face and eyes from an image, first of all, we will take a lot of positive images, which are the images of the faces, and the negative images, which are images but not the face image. Then we will train our classifier. After that, we will extract them. So in this video, you will learn how to detect eyes and faces from an image. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will copy this. Okay, first of all, this is our new project window. First of all, we will install our OpenCV Python. Okay, then we will import CV2. After that, we will use our cascade classifier. So I have already the classifier, so that's why I am using that. So I will write face cascade is equal to CV2 dot cascade classifier After that, then I will give him the path which is in my resources and the name of the file which is Haar Cascade underscore frontal face dot xml file. Okay, after that, what we will do, this is for our face detection. Then now what we do, we will put our eye cascade model in this eye cascade, which is equal to CV2 dot cascade classifier. Then I will give him again the path where my file is. So this is Haar cascade underscore eyes I dot xml. Okay, so we will run this. After that, what will we do, we will to read our image by using the imread command in OpenCV. So our image is equal to cv2 dot imread. Then I will give him the path of my images which is in the resource folder, and the name of the image is pic, and it is basically JPG file. So here we go. Okay, then I will have to run this. After that, I will convert my image into grayscale. Then for converting an image into grayscale, I will write image gray is equal to cv2 dot cvt color. Now what is our original image? cv2 dot color underscore bgr, because our image is originally in bgr. we will have to convert this image into grayscale. Okay, after that, what will we have to do? Then we will use our face detection model. So what will we have to? We will do face is equal to face cascade model that we already put in this cascade dot detect multiscale. Then now we will, which image we want to convert, we will give him the name. Basically we want to convert our detect our gray image, so that's why I will write here the image gray. Now I will give him the scale value, which is I am giving 1.1. now I will give him the neighboring value, which is 4. Okay, so similar for eyes. So I will copy this, and after running this, oh, this will show an error because our face cascade is not that one. So what will we have to do? We will convert this into our face cascade. Okay, now I will run this. It will show an error. So just a minute. Now what will we do? We will do the same for the eyes. Okay, so I will copy this and paste it here, and I will change the values here, which is equal to eyes, and here I will give him the eyes cascade model. Okay, oh, eyes cascade dot detect multiscale. Here is the image which I want to detect an eyes. So here is the scale value, which is 1.2, and here I will give him the value of the neighboring, which is 5. Okay, so now what will I do? I will run this. Okay, after running this, what will we have to do? We will have to do to put the for loop in this. So which is for, and here is the value of x, y, x-axis, y-axis, and the width of the image and the height of the image. Okay, in which I will basically put a loop in the face. So I will write here the faces. Okay, now what will we have to do? We have to do cv2 dot the shape, which is I want to rectangle. Then after that I will put my original image here. After that we will give him the x and y. Okay, so after that I will give him the dimensions, which is x plus w and y plus h, which is actually the height. Okay, then I will give him the color which I want in rectangle. So I want blue color here, so I will put the values here. After that I will put the width of that rectangle, which is 2. Okay, that's fine. Now I will run this code, and it will show some error, and basically it is an indent error. So let's have wait. So now we will run this. Okay, and the similar for the eyes. So I will copy this and paste it here, but it is for eyes, so I have to change this into eyes. Okay, so I will run this. Now I want to show my image. So I will use the command of imshow function, which is for the cv2. So I will show here imshow function, and I will give him the name. Let's suppose I will give him the name of results of an original image, img. Then I will run this. Okay, now I want that the image will stay on the screen. So what will I have to do? I will put the command which is cv2 dot wait key, and give him the value 0. Okay, now I will run this. When I will run this, here our image will be shown. Okay, here you can see. Okay, if I want to change the color of the eyes rectangle, so I will change the value from here. I will give him the value which is 0 0 and 255, which is for the red color. So I have to again run the code. Okay, so if some error are there, then it will remove this. Okay, now our image will show us that our face is detected in the blue line and our eyes will be detected in the red lines. So this is our project of face and eyes detection from an image. Okay, so for the next video we will use this OpenCV and we will make different projects from this. So keep watching our channel and take care.